Hi guys, I'm going to go through the three 2510s here, HR-2510s, and see what's going on with them. This first one seems like we have receive. I'm going to try to put it into transmit. There is no power, and don't even attempt to switch. So I'm not sure. There's something going on with this one. Either switching or PLL issue, VCO out of whack, something. But regardless, this one won't even go into transmit. It shows on display, but there's no power. So let's hook up the other two and see what these two are doing. Alright, 2510 number 2 seems to have lots to receive, and this one has transmit. One, two. VO1 MDS testing. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. VO1 MDS test. 1, 2, 1, 2. So that one seems to be working. The encoder, on the other hand, is not so hot. The encoder is bad on this one. Alright. Yeah, let's move on to 2510 number 3. See who's on to go with this one. And this is 2510, HR-2510 number 3. VO1 MDS testing. 1, 2, 3. So she's got power. Test 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. VO1 MDS testing. Test 1, 2, 1, 2. VO1 MDS test. Test 1, 2, 1, 2. VO1 MDS testing. There you go. So this one seems to be receiving and transmitting as well. This one was missing the plug for the jumper for the speaker on the back. That's only minor stuff. Yeah. Cool. When I first turned around, she had a bit of static inside. What do you have was in here? The volume all the way off and RF gain all the way up, and then adjust the RF gain. So even though the volume is off, she's still hearing something there. Anyways, that's HR-2510 number 3. Alright folks, just figured out what was going on with the transmit with this HR-2510. Test 1, 2, 1, 2. VO1 MDS testing. And as you can see, she's now transmitting. And the problem was this one 220 UF 10 volt cap was shorted out. And that capacitor is right here. The one that was bad. There's this one here, and there's another one right here. Two of these can go faulty. Either one of these short out and you lose your transmit. It just so happened that it was this one. So I replaced it. Another 220, 10 volt. And test 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. VO1 MDS test. VO1 MDS testing. There you go. And she's working. One down. Awesome.